Understanding slow motion, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, slow motion. This term is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and learn about slow motion together. Slow motion is a term used to describe a way of showing video or film footage at a slower speed than it was originally recorded. This creates an effect where time seems to be moving more slowly. It's often used in movies, sports broadcasts, and nature documentaries to emphasize or highlight an action, making it easier to see and understand. In this section, we'll look at some common examples where slow motion is used. Movies, to dramatize a scene, like a superhero saving the day. Sports, to analyze a player's movement or a crucial moment in a game. Nature documentaries, to observe details in animal movements. Apart from its technical use in media, slow motion is also used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, "It all happened in slow motion" can mean that an event felt like it was happening more slowly than normal, often during a surprising or shocking moment. Understanding slow motion enhances your ability to comprehend and appreciate various forms of media. It also helps in understanding expressions that convey the intensity or emotional impact of a situation. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of slow motion. It's a phrase that adds depth to our understanding of both the English language and the world around us. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using English phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.